Hello, welcome to Gretna Green. It stopped raining just for a minute.
It has, hasn't it? Yeah, we've been lucky so far, and we've got the Lovelock straight behind us.
Yes,
so
we forgot our Lovelock.
we did. I think you can buy them here. There's a lot with logos on, but they're probably about £50. You know?
At least.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really sweet. Have a look round outside, and then check out the history. There's a great history of Gretna Green, or the runaway brides. So we'll go and have a look.
You didn't run away, did you?
No.
No.
So we're outside the famous Gretna Green blacksmith shop.
We are indeed, and it's closed.
Not for weddings, it's open for weddings, and they're coming and going, and we're looking really excited, and everyone's all dressed up quite a lot in kilts.
Sure, it didn't say on the website.
It didn't say on the website, and that's a running theme that we've noticed, that if you are planning to go somewhere, both rigging them up and actually saying, are you actually open? Because there's a lot that go, oh, they'll come for the food, they'll shop in the shops, and it would...
The shops are open.
The shops are open. Very nice shops, if you want to have a nosy round. But yeah, the actual museum, which I really wanted to see, and to see the old blacksmith's anvil and things like that, that is shut, just due to social distancing and having to clean. And
between weddings, I think. They're trying to put the weddings through, and...
yeah, so it's COVID strikes again.
It is.
But yeah, if you're planning on going anywhere at all in the next year or so, I'd ring up just to check. What have you got, Dan?
I've got sausage roll and chips.
Ooh,
looks really nice, actually.
How much was it? Have you done the maths?
I haven't. It was about £16 for the two, including the drink, so not too bad.
We've managed to get a spot on the patio.
We have. We didn't want to be inside, did we?
No, it's COVID. COVID strikes again.
So nice music to serenade you through your meal, Faye.
Marvellous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Be any more Scottish. Quite a nice steak pie as well.
Yes.
A little bit chewy.
Little bit chewy indeed.
Tiny bit.
Yeah.
This is a really cute idea. You both go in at different doorways and work your way through the maze to meet in the middle if you're lucky, or unlucky, depending how you look upon it. But it's locked. We'll ask inside, see if we can do it. I wonder if it's COVID. It's so exciting to be at the start of a road trip around Scotland. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. In the coming weeks we will explore Edinburgh City come rain or shine, the Royal Yacht Britannia. We will sample Scottish food, whisky and sweets, stunning Glencoe, the Isle of Mull and a hairy Q hunt, beautiful Oban and much more.